Right now it's up to 25. It's like at the ground size between 30 35, but right now it's between 40 to 45 feet. 这里就是造。And one, but at here is the new highest peak.
Frozen, no?
Yeah.
Ice.
Almost we found on December, but right now don't have it anymore because the weather is really warm. It's the reflection of the climate. In the past, the hottest and here is but right now it's like at the side. So normally in Thailand here we have four dialects: the north, the east, the middle, and south. Of course, the middle they spoke Thai, but the north and east and Laos. It had many kinds of birds. When we spoke it, it's the same.